And after destroying them mercilessly in the marketplace, they then fed off the remainder of their corporate soul by parting out the carcass of their company, sending the molds to China. And the employees to the unemployment line. Wow, this kit model business is nasty. Cersei Lannister would be proud. Well, the mail just came in, and there's a package for me from Douglas. So, thank you, Douglas, and let's see what we have. As soon as I figure out how to open it. Where's my knife? Do that. Oh, there it is. Remember, always cut away from you. Okay. Oh, a vintage Pagila. Before I started doing this channel, I wasn't even sure who Pagila was. I had seen him doing one of the histories for one of the companies. I forget which one, but might have been Marathon. But and then I looked them up, and there were all these kaiju that never caught on in the U.S. Gaios. I'm seeing a diorama in our future. Well, that is just one piece. There's a letter down in here. Oop. Make sure I got everything. I don't want to throw the box away and find out there was something else in there. Okay. Alright. Let's see. My other glasses. These are my computer glasses. So I can hold it 4 feet away. Hi Max is enclosed a kaiju modeling goodness plus a tiny car model. I have to look for that. Just to say thanks for making 2020 tolerable due to your awesome videos. Shucks. Safe travels to you and your side screen, turbulent free and visibility unlimited. Oh, if only. Well, Douglas, thank you. And I'll make sure that, let me see if make sure the car isn't still in the box. I don't know if it's, let's just start. Okay, packing stuff. In a bag or something. My wife never lets me throw away the packing stuff because she uses it for her dolls. Just taking out all the peanuts. I want to take them out. Oh, yep, there it is. Found it. Oh, look at that. A little Shin Godzilla. You see, this is why you take everything out of the box. Piece at a time. Okay. Examine every piece of the packing material. Reminds me of a kid getting the toy out of the bottom of the cereal box. Okay, that looks like everything. did say car. So, whoops. So the little Godzilla. I wonder if I misread that. I am using my wrong glasses. Plus a tiny car model. Okay, let me see if the car's in one of the boxes. Okay, Gaius is by RDE. Oh, there it is. So now, guy also has something to change around and terrorize. It's a Glencoe. You know, I've never built one of these little Glencoe car models, so that's going to be fun. Thank you. And the Pagila is by Bandai. And typical beautiful Bandai molds. There's Pagila. That's actually a pretty intimidating looking. It's got the psycho eyes like Godzilla. Those are intimidating. Well, of course, I have to go out on YouTube and rewatch the old movies just for, reference. So should these two be teaming up to destroy the world and chasing the car, or should they be fighting each other? You tell me. Well, thank you very, very much, and thank you, Douglas. I'm dun 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 dun. You know what? I'm going to put him in the box with. So I better put him in with Gaius. And in vain with the new King Kong vs. Godzilla movie coming out, which has a wicked long trailer now, a great one. Yeah, maybe when I can get around to it, some sort of diorama would just be. It's just, and my wife just found this, asked me if I wanted it. It's a piece of that corrugated honeycomb cardboard, and I was going to use it as a base for the two Peggy bombers because it's big enough. But it might also be the right size to put all these smaller kaiju I have together and make some sort of battle scene or something. I must ponder this. Ponder this I must. This vexes me. I am terribly vexed in a wonderful way. That is awesome. Thank you, Douglas. And I'll see you guys later tonight. Hey guys, I just am compiling the Estes video now. It ran 21 minutes. I can't do anything else to the computer till it's done, so hopefully within the hour I'll have it up, but it'll go up before you see this, so by the time you see this it'll already be out there. Tomorrow I'll be out doing growing up stuff all day. I don't think I'll get any content. In fact, next couple of days are pretty dodgy. It's one reason I wanted to go ahead and finish this. And anyway, that's pretty much all for the night. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody and everything. Guys, we'll see you later. I hope you're having a wonderful evening, a wonderful week. Pulled my Columbo. Just one more thing. One, I'm probably not going to do anything from the road. It's pretty much everybody agreed that that would just be too dodgy. Also, as I mentioned earlier, I recorded it both on the camera and on the computer. The camera I just let run, so it's warts and all. And I thought about maybe just sticking that up completely unedited, just so you could see the process, but it would be really boring. But if you think that's something you might like to see, let me know. And so other than that, guys, take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Model on.